Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today what I got here is a 2009 BMW 328i E90 series. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be going ahead and replacing this side mirror here. You can see that side mirror is broken, someone backed into it. So we're going to be going ahead and replacing this. Here's my replacement mirror. You can find these cheap, used aftermarket. It's very easy to change. There's going to be 3 screws on the inside and 1 electrical connector. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to do first is open the door. So coming on the inside, we got to remove the door panel, and the screws are going to be located behind this grill here. The door panel comes right off. It's going to be held on by a few bolts. So we're going to go ahead and pry this trim off here. Here's the trim. Set that side. So there's also going to be this plastic trim we need to remove here. So this trim here, it just pops right off. You just pry it off a little bit, and then you can see there's going to be 1 bolt here, right there. There's going to be 4 bolts in total. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and they're going to be T20 Torx. 4 bolts. We're going to use the T20 Torx. That's the top bolt. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the 3 in the door. Now that they're removed, we're going to go ahead and pop off the door. And you just use a flathead, get it in, pry it, and there it is. And just pull it. And now we're gonna, for this, just be careful. We're gonna go ahead and push this down, pull it up. Here it is. We don't need to take the door panel off and remove it. All we need is just the door panel to move it. And now we're gonna pull this speaker grill panel off. Just like that. And coming behind here, here's the electrical connector. We're gonna push the 2 clips in, remove it, and there's going to be 3 Torx screws here, T30. We're going to remove those. And just go ahead and pull it on the other side. There it is. This is the broken assembly. And now we're going to go ahead and reinstall the new assembly. For the new assembly, we're going to go ahead and reinsert it. There it is. Once it's reinserted, I'm going to hold it, come back on the other side. I can see my screw holes are lined up. I'm going to reinsert the screws. And we're going to go ahead and tie them down. Let's go ahead and connect the electrical connector. There it is. We're going to go ahead and install this speaker trim. Pop it back in place. Speaker trim's installed. Now we're gonna go ahead and reinsert the door. Make sure you pop this pin, door lock pin through there. And then there's gonna be clips here. The door panel is gonna clip into the clips here. Just like that. There's gonna be these white clips here. Just make sure you pop them into the right holes. So at the bottom, we can show you right here. There's gonna be a hole in the clips. Just make sure it lines up and then pop them in. All popped in, and now we're gonna go ahead, the T20 Torx bolts. All right. Screws are all tight. Now we're gonna go ahead and pop this trim back on. Just like that. And last, the outside trim here. For this, there's just these screws push right into these clips here. Just line it up. And just pop it in. And there it is. Mirror is perfectly installed. Anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to change it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you guys.